Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, in this video we'll be talking about tomorrow's intraday trading setup. So before that, let's see what has happened in today's market, okay? So guys, if you guys can see, so these are the support and resistance level which we drawn yesterday for today's market, okay? So Nifty 50 has done according to our same support and resistance level which we drawn yesterday. So 14,091 was the first resistance which we drawn yesterday for today's, and if you guys can see today the Nifty 50 opened at 14,875.65, which is almost near to our first resistance level, and it broke it, okay, and it continued all the way up and it took exactly support there and moved up, and again if you see it came down. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 performed today, and if you guys can see, so Nifty 50 closed at 0.37% up today. That's at 14,873. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 performed. So let's see about the Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is a Bank Nifty chart, and Bank Nifty also same thing, but it opened near our first resistance and didn't go above that. Okay, so it was trading below that itself, below our first resistance which we have drawn yesterday, and it has given a good movement but not towards the upper side. Okay, so that was the main resistance for today. As you can see, it was touching, it was coming down here, also it touched and it came down. Okay, it was trying to break but it didn't. Okay, so even Bank Nifty was in a downtrend today. Okay, so this was how it was performed today. Okay, and also yesterday I picked few of the stock for today's trading, so I've made a list of it yesterday. If you guys have watched my yesterday's video on market analysis, you might have observed. So I have said Wipro, Muthoot Finance and Prakash and Hind Copper. So yes, they did perform well today. Okay, so Wipro was closing at 0.94% up, so it opened at 441.95 and it went up till 445.95 and the low made was 440. Okay, so Muthoot Finance did perform well, opened at 1216, made a high of 1245 and the low was 1210, that is 1210. Okay, so even Muthoot Finance did perform well. And coming to the next stock, that is Hind Copper. Even Hind Copper also was in an uptrend today. Even this stock was having a positive news yesterday when I said even that also performed well. And also Prakash stock, it was not that kind of a big movement. And also I said you like the stock was below 150 rupees, so don't pick that for intraday trading. So I always tell you guys to pick stock above 100 or 150 to do an intraday trading. Okay, so this is how the market performed today. And also I did a live trading video today, so you can go to my channel and watch today's live trade what I have done. So the link will be given in the description below of this video, so you can go there and watch my today's live trading video. Okay, and now I'll be telling you tomorrow's intraday trading setup, like what are the Nifty 50 support and resistance level and Bank Nifty support and resistance level, and also I'll be telling you a lot of important things. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And before that, if you're new visitor to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, there is an offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you need to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now we'll be talking about tomorrow's intraday trading setup. So guys, firstly coming to the Nifty. So if you guys can see here, I have drawn the support and resistance level for the Nifty. So which are the important levels for tomorrow? Okay, so the support level is at 14,806 and the next support comes at 14,728 and the resistance level is at 14,975 and the next resistance level is at 15,045, around somewhere there. Okay, so guys, here if you guys can see, I've drawn a trend line here. Okay, so Nifty 50 is constantly going up. Okay, and here is some of the main resistance level where you can see at 14,900 somewhere. So Nifty 50 is touching that 14,900 level and coming back from past few days, but today if you guys can see, it broke above that and it sustained above that today. Okay, but closing was below 14,900. so we'll see how the market will perform tomorrow. Okay, so however the market will perform, so this will be your support and resistance level for tomorrow. Got it? So now let's come to Bank Nifty. So in the Bank Nifty, the support level is at 32,593 and the next support comes at 32,390 and the resistance level are now placed at 33,125 and the next resistance level is at 33,542. Okay, so this is how the support and resistance level for the Bank Nifty looks like. Okay, and now let me tell you the stocks which I have shortlisted for tomorrow based on some news and all the things. So the first stock will be CEAT. Okay, so CEAT, what they have is, so they have some news telling that they have signed for some third agreement by Times and More Online Private Limited. They are giving the new existing share subscription and shareholders agreement with the new company. Okay, so they have acquired additional 3.47 percentage from others company, and they have future investment up to 2.4 crore on CEAT Limited. Okay, now next stock comes the Ashok Leyland. Okay, in Ashok Leyland is now they are partnered with other e-mobility project in India with the Siemens company. Okay, so the stock may go up. Okay, but these are the news which are there. Okay, so these are the stocks which you can keep an eye on tomorrow. I'm not telling that you have to trade on this. Okay, you can observe it how it will perform. Okay, and next comes the Zensar Tech. Okay, so Zensar Tech is not a much volatility of a stock for trading, but if you are looking for some holdings or long term, then you can see this kind of stock. Okay, because this stock in intraday has a very less kind of movement. Okay, so what this company has in use is that they have now globally partnership with some US based climatic company, so which will help this stock to boom. Okay, so I'm not telling you to invest, so you can just research through and then take a trade. Okay, so let's see how this stocks will perform tomorrow, but I am watching the CEAT Limited and Ashok Leyland for tomorrow, and Zensar Tech will just keep in a watch list and observe how it will perform, because as there is some news in the stock for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, these are the important trading setup for tomorrow, so you guys can observe it and take advantage of it. Okay, so I'm not telling you to take any trade regarding this is just for your knowledge and for watching purpose and for information purpose only. So if you guys want to take a trade, you can make your own research and analysis and then take a trade. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload the videos like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.